Are you serious?
Yeah.
Wow.
Hold on, interruption. What I just noticed, I'm not dumb. Look at her shirt.
Okay.
I knew that was coming. Mimi was waiting.
Aubrey Elizabeth.
Yay!
Aubrey, do you have a secret?
What's the secret?
Aubrey, what's your secret?
Are you gonna be a big sister?
Aubrey, you're gonna be a big sister. Yes, you are.
Oh my god.
Big sis.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Aubrey!
Wow.
Yay! Surprise!
Say yay!
Surprise! Oh, that is so sweet.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Wow.